This illustration deals with cooking equipment loads in accordance with Table 220.55, Note 1. Now, notice in the illustration we're figuring service conductors, but notice it would be the same for a feeder circuit where you were figuring the demand load for a range. But now notice this range in the illustration is 16 kW. Now, notice you're above the 12 kW, so you couldn't use strictly table 220.55. You have to use one of the notes below the table. So the question is, what is the demand load for a 16 kW range? Find the demand load for this range in VA. So that is the question. Step 1, we calculate the demand load. Note 1 to Table 220.55 basically says reduce the range from 16 kW back to 12 kW. Take this 12 kW and subtract it from 16 kW, leaving you 4 kW that would exceed the 12. And Note 1 naturally says use the 5% rule. So 5% of 4 kW would equal 20%. So step 2 is the application of this 20%, calculating the VA. So 8 kW now from our table 220.55 is based upon a 12 kW range that we reduce back to 12 kW in the illustration in step 1. So we would take then 120% times 8 kW based upon a 12 kW range from table 220.55, and we would come up with 9,600. So the solution and the answer is load 2 would be 9,600 VA. So figure 1-1 is simply illustrating cooking equipment loads when Note 1 to Table 220.55 is applied. So the solution is now for the demand load is 9,600 VA.